Hi everyone, so today we're heading to the local town of Dol. So come along, join us, and hopefully we'll find a few geocaches. Today we are, as you can see, in Domain Dorms. So yeah, let's go and have a wander around. It's very wet, but that don't stop us geocachers and travellers. That one there, look.
Yeah.
Hotel de Quengo is that one. So that's Hotel de Quengo. There's a little map, I'm just telling you about it in French. Oh, it's got a tunnel. Oh, this is the cathedral here in Dol, and as you can see they're doing some work to it. The weather isn't the best, I've got to admit. It is raining. Hopefully it will stop raining, or at least slow down a little. I'm going to have to get out of the way. But yeah, it looks like they're doing some work to the cathedral here. But it always amazes me when you're walking around just how many of these cathedrals there is. So many around the towns, and they're so big. Which unfortunately has got scaffolding all the way around it. Obviously they're doing some work to it. That's what it would have looked like in 1910. Okay. Oh, that's a rare sight in France. So now I've made it up to the top of the town, I do believe. So yeah, we have a few problems. We've had the rain, which is now stopped, and terrible internet connection. Got this building from 1879. I told you about the square here. Got ancient Notre Dame church, dated back to the 11th century. February 1878, Mayor Legental and his council drew attention to the dilapidated state of the church, which was finally demolished the following year. A project for a metal-covered market was approved in 1879. It was erected in the Champ de Mars Square at the beginning of 1880. So we stand in the Champ de Mars Square, built in the style of a boultard. Builder from Rennes built it, whose name can be seen at the bottom of the external pillars. So this is the okay, so we end up in some sort of park, promenade Jules Revert, and you can see the wall here. It goes around the town. So we'll head down to the garden. It's open from 8 till 6, so that tells me there's no other way of getting access to this park shop. This yard was caught after the town deputy mayor died in 1944, transforming the walk into a public garden. Let's have a quick wander along the garden then. Jasmine, come here. A pretty bird box there, look. Strange looking sculpture, isn't it? It's a monolith sculpture. So basically a sculpture of a monolith, which we saw plenty of in the Vendée. Oh, it's a grapevine. There's no grapes on it though. Oh, I think it's a grapevine. Yeah, it is a grapevine. And what's this down here? Let's have a look. Is that a sculptured owl on the floor? Or is it a cat? Oh, it's a real cat. He's just sat there. He's off. Yeah, he's off. Might be wild. Might be feral. He's gone. He's hiding. There's a few mules here. Look at that lot. Alright, should we head back that way then? Yeah. So I cover this little bit of garden. There's lots of apple trees down there. What is a bit of a park? Oh, I think it's part of the school. Beautiful apple trees. There we have a picture of a monument. It's been erected in 1853. 1853. So I found a first physical geocache here in Dol. Wasn't too bad in the end. Look at that lot. If it weren't for that, you'd be able to see it beautifully. Lovely. Look at that, look. Just it's a fountain. Yeah. Shall I? Oh. Fountain. Mercedes, or is it a Ford? You decide. Oh yeah, chicken nuggets. Okay, not traditional fare, but we're hungry, so. So now we're in another village. I'm just trying to do another ad lab. We managed to get 2 stages so far, which was, if you look in the houses, got the Virgin Mary statuettes built into the buildings, which is really, really cool. What's over on the other side, I think. So there's another cache right next to this pipe. It's a bit more fiddly than we hoped. Because it's always, yeah, you know, it seems like you're up to no good when you're hanging around a shed. But yeah. looking stormy.
Right, Jeff.
Jasmine's just stung a hand. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed it today, joining us around the beautiful town of Dol. The cathedral's amazing, so if you're in Dol, you've got to go in there and have a look. It's absolutely stunning. The high street's really good as well. There's lots to see on the high street, lots of bars and restaurants. We had a burger from a little burger shack there, which we really enjoyed. And from there, we left to head down to the Fontaine Saint Samson. So we checked that out in a small village called Carfontaine. And there we headed up to the monolith. There's a monolith not far away, which is called the Menhir du Champ Dolent. That was quite busy. I was able to get parked, but there was a lot of people there. So yeah, all in all, we've had a good day today. Hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you join us on the next one. Hopefully we'll be doing something again local, a local walk. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Right, thanks everyone, we'll see you again soon on the next adventure.